Hey guys, I just pushed a huge update to Visuals. Let me show you. So you can now see rooms in 3D and visualize them just like any other element in Revit. And the same is true for areas. So you just pick your area scheme that you want to see your areas for, and then you can have all your areas colored. Let's go to the gross here. There you go. So I'm going to walk you through this a bit more slowly so you can really get the grips of this. All right, so this is an update to the Revit connector. And that means that you have to download the new connector from visuals.com. You can find this under connector plugins, Revit, and then download the new installer and run it. Once you have installed the new connector, you can go to the add-ins tab and click on Start Visuals. And the new buttons you will see is Show Rooms and this box here where you can choose from your area schemes and show your areas in 3D. So to show this better, I'm gonna isolate or actually hide everything so that you can see a bit better what's going on. Now, when you click Show Rooms, it's gonna make these proxy objects for you and they represent the actual rooms in your model. And when you hit Auto Sync, you can see how Visuals got the rooms now. And let's just do count by ceiling finish, for example, show that, click on the chart, and you can see how the colors are getting sent back. Of course, just looking at your rooms is not enough, so we need a mechanism to actually adjust some things because this is about interactivity. So when you click on a room like, or on a proxy like this, it's going to prompt you if you want to select the underlying room or areas. And if you say yes, and then I switch to the properties palette here, you can see that it's selected one room now, and that is exactly the room that I was clicking on before. I was clicking on the proxy. Okay, let's change the ceiling finish to maybe something completely new, like grass or whatever. And you see how it automatically refreshes the proxy object, and then it also refreshes the charts and the colors get updated. And the same is true if you want to delete something. So let's pick the same room here. Say yes, select the underlying room. I'm going to just hit the delete key and the room is gone and also the proxy is gone now. Okay, so rooms is one thing. Let's deactivate the rooms again and let's look at some areas. For example, this guy. We're going to make a new chart and let's say count again, and then we say, I think area type is something that is kind of useful. Here we go. I'm going to click on this and you can see it's also coloring the area proxies. And the same behavior that I was just showing with the rooms is true here. If I click on something, I'm getting asked if I want to select the underlying area. If I say yes, and then I switch this to something else, it's changing. And you can easily switch between area schemes by just deselecting one and selecting the other. You can also show them all at once, but that rarely does make any sense. But the option is there. One more thing I want to show you with the areas is that you can also create new areas and they will automatically come up as proxy objects. So I'm in this gross building area plan level 1. I'm going to turn on the gross building areas again, and then activating this view, I can take an area boundary. Let's just use a stupid rectangle here, put it here, and then get an area, take a new area, put it here, and you see it's also refreshing the proxies and the charts as well. Yeah. So that is the new update to Visuals. Remember to download and install the new connector, because that's the only way you're going to get the new features inside Revit. I hope you enjoy it.